What's the meaning of cobblestone? Cobblestone. Cobblestone.
Cobblestone. Cobblestone. Cobblestone refers to a type of natural stone that has been cut and shaped into small, rounded shapes. These stones can be used in various ways, including as paving stones for roads and walkways. Cobblestone is often prized for its rustic, historical look and durability, as well as its ability to handle heavy use and traffic. When used in a paved surface, cobblestones create a textured, uneven surface that can add character and interest to an outdoor space. Overall, cobblestone is a popular choice for those looking for a classic, timeless look in their landscaping or construction projects.